Hello and welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Lie down comfortably. Imagine you are lying on soft forest earth. The ground beneath you is cool, steady and supportive. Close your eyes and feel the quiet all around you. The hum of trees swaying with the wind and the distant call of birds. With each exhale, imagine roots growing from your body into the soil, the forest holding you and carrying your weight. Now, in this sacred forest, we arrive at the stage of Sankalpa. Sankalpa is a simple, heartfelt resolve, a seed you plant in the mind during this practice. It is not a wish, but a deep intention, a short, positive statement about the state of being you are moving towards. Like the trees of the forest, strong and steady in their growth, your Sankalpa is a seed that, once planted, quietly shapes your life. So choose a short sentence that feels true to you. Maybe I am rooted in peace, I am steady like the trees, and I am open to the flow of life. Repeat your Sankalpa silently 3 times, sowing it into the fertile soil of your soul. Now, we journey through the body as though moving through the forest itself. Slowly and gently bring awareness to your right hand, to your right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the whole of the palm, and the back of your hand. Imagine these as tender leaves, delicate yet alive with energy. Now, move to the arm, the elbow, the shoulder, waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, and foot. Think of these as the branches of the tree, strong and supportive. Now, coming to the left side, the left hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger, the whole of the palm, and the back of the hand. These are the delicate leaves of the body. And then coming to the forearm, elbow, shoulder, waist, hip, thigh, knee, shin, ankle, and the foot. These are the branches, long and supportive. Now, bring your attention to the back of the body, broad and steady. Think of it as the trunk of an ancient tree. Focus on the points of contact with the ground, the back of the heel, the calf, thighs, buttocks, back, the shoulder blades, the shoulders, and the back of the head. Coming to the front of the body, keep it open and soft. Feel the rise and the fall of the chest. Feel the softness of the abdomen. And gently sense the whole body. Sense the whole body as the entire forest itself, alive, breathing, and rooted. Notice your natural breath. Each inhale is like the forest drawing in air through its countless leaves. And each exhale is the forest releasing, renewing, and letting go. Breathe as though you are part of the great rhythm of the trees and the wind in the forest. Now, feel your body heavy. Feel it pressed into the forest floor as though made of stone and soil. Feel your body light, like a cluster of leaves being carried upward on a gentle breeze. Feel the cool shade between tall neem and banyan trees. Feel the warmth of golden sunlight streaming down the branches onto your skin. Now, imagine yourself walking deeper into this forest. Your feet press into soft earth covered in moss and fallen jasmine. A bird calls from afar, and the rustling of bamboo leaves follows the wind. The scent of jasmine and wet soil after rain fills the air. You continue walking until you reach a quiet clearing. In the center, a great banyan tree spreads its branches wide. You go and sit beneath this banyan tree. You sit amongst its roots. The roots curl into the earth like arms. It leaves a little gap for you to sit right up against the roots. You look up at the glimmers of sky between the leaves. The leaves shimmer like emerald light. And here you rest, feeling the strength of centuries in its trunk and the peace of shade that this banyan tree offers you. The tree and the forest breathe with you. Each inhale and exhale is one with your own. In this stillness, remember your sankalpa and softly repeat it to yourself 3 times. Feel it entering deeper and deeper into your subconscious each time. Now, slowly, the forest around you begins to soften. The sounds of birds and rustling leaves fading into the background. The sunlight through the canopy grows gentler, dissolving into a softer glow. The forest is still here, alive and within you. But as you rest, your awareness slowly begins to return to the room where you lie. Feel the surface beneath your body, steady and familiar. Notice the air in this room touching your skin. The quiet sounds around you. Bring small movements to your fingers and toes. Take a slow breath in and a long, complete breath out. Breath in and a long breath out. When you are ready, roll to one side, resting for a few minutes here. Slowly come up to sit with your eyes closed. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. The forest remains within you, and The room welcomes you back. Shanti, 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 Hari